What's going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, Keto Savage, KetoBrick.com, coming at you with another cool giveaway. So as y'all hopefully know, we've been doing these sweet little giveaways every few months. We did a kayak, we did a coaching giveaway, we did a squat rack, we did a grill, a super cool grill. Now we've been kind of thinking, what can we do for the month of July, all right? So I don't know about where y'all are living, but here in Arkansas, where we're at, it's getting freaking hot outside. And when it's super hot outside, man, what I want to do, I want to jump in a cold plunge. And during the winter months, I have my own kind of cold plunge setup. I got a $200 stock tank from Tractor Supply Co., filled that thing full of water, and it was getting cold enough during the winter time where I have to bust through some ice and I could plunge for a minute or two first thing in the mornings. Well, here in Arkansas in the summertime, that's not a possibility. That cold plunge tank is just a hot pond right now. So I'm without a cold plunge and I'm missing it. So I'm like, let's make a cold plunge the giveaway. So I've been looking at a whole bunch of different brands for cold plunges, and I'm going with the Plunge brand, which is kind of one of the higher end creme de la creme plunges. It's a $5,000 plunge for the base model. It's got the microfiltration system. It's indoor-outdoor use. It looks super sleek and sexy. It's like that porcelain-looking one that's all white. It just looks really good. It's got the insulated cover on it. It goes down to 39 degrees, and it is just legit. So the whole cold plunge phenomena kind of took us all by storm there. All the biohackers have been doing it. You've been seeing people on Instagram doing it. I did it for the winter months, this past winter, and I can truly say that I enjoyed it immensely. There's been a lot of studies done as to whether or not it's actually benefiting you from a hormonal standpoint, from an inflammation standpoint, all that jazz. Most of the research says you probably don't want to do a cold plunge immediately post-training because then you're going to be minimizing the hormetic effect of that acute inflammation from the training. So I don't recommend that. But for me personally, waking up first thing in the morning, jumping in the cold plunge before I did anything else had a significant benefit mentally. I was able to just do the hard thing first. I was able to wake up very readily. I mean, it's a pretty good wake-up feel when you're waking up and jumping in a 39-degree water pool. And I just started the day off right. I was able to start the day with this zeal and aggressive, like just excitement to get the day and hit the ground running. So for that reason alone, the cold plunging has been incredibly impactful in a positive way for me. Again, can't have that option in the summertime without going the route of a legit plunge. So I figured we'd make this July giveaway the hottest freaking month of the year, July, August, somewhere in that time frame, and make the giveaway a plunge. So like the prior giveaways we've done, it's going to run the entire month of July. I know I'm kind of getting this promo video out a little bit late, but all of the purchases that have already occurred in the month of July will still be counted towards the giveaway. So to recap, every $10 spent at KetoBrick.com gets you one ticket for entry to win this $5,000 plunge. On the first of the following month, so the 1st of August, I'm going to go through and I'm going to draw a random winner, and whoever that winner is, I'm going to reach out to them via email, see if they're interested in the plunge, and then I'm going to ship them this $5,000 polar plunge for them to be able to get free of charge across the board just because they entered in by purchasing Keto Bricks throughout the month. So that's the way this giveaway works. Again, every $10 spent at KetoBrick.com gets you one entry ticket. It's going to be a random winner drawn on the 1st of August, and we're going to hook you up with a legit, awesome cold plunge tank that is literally plug and plunge. You hook it up, you're good to go. There's no like crazy assembly required or anything like that. It looks sleek, indoor or outdoor, and it's going to get all your cold plunge needs taken care of. So we're super excited about it. This is our most expensive giveaway to date, and that's the whole theme of what we're trying to do with these giveaways. Super high-quality giveaways that you can get excited about, that I can get excited about, and that offer value and on brand within the community, within the health nutrition space, within just the active lifestyles that we're all hopefully living. So thank you all so very much for tuning in. Thank you for purchasing Keto Bricks and being a part of this family, and good luck to all of y'all. Hope you get the plunge.